As the pandemic continues right now, there are a record number of people that are filing for unemployment, and more Hoosiers are facing evictions. Tonight, our senior investigative reporter Bob Siegel explains why the evictions do violate a statewide order and how you now can fight back.
TJ Shuck is like a lot of Hoosiers. His work hours have been drastically cut back, and now he's 3 weeks behind on rent. You're not saying that you shouldn't have to pay your rent, right?
No, I'll pay the rent. I've got a 1-year-old and a 3-year-old. I'm finally getting more hours. I can pay the rent. It's just going to take me a second.
But his landlord says time is up. First, she sent him this letter saying he'd be evicted if he didn't pay rent within 2 days. Then she's been sending him repeated text messages.
Almost every day of the week, she told me the eviction papers would be in the mail in the morning. And the next morning, the same thing. Wake up every day to it.
Finally, she texted TJ a photo of what looks like an official eviction complaint filed in Clinton County Superior Court.
And I have a court date on the 18th of next month.
How is all this legal? Well, technically, it's not.
Under the governor's moratorium, as we understand it, that should not be happening.
Brandon Beeler runs the Housing Law Center at Indiana Legal Services. He says no tenant should be evicted right now in the midst of the COVID-19 emergency based on a statewide order the governor issued 1 month ago.
The governor's order is extended through May 5th. So up until May 5th, there should be no initiating of an eviction. We need no filing.
For residents who live in government-subsidized housing, the moratorium against evictions goes until July 25th. And even in cases where a landlord does issue an eviction notice, renters like TJ can't simply be forced to move out without going through the proper legal steps to do that.
So at this point, I would say that the landlord cannot, by law, remove a tenant without a court order.
That doesn't mean they won't try, with threatening letters, text messages, and even legal paperwork that make it appear a tenant has no choice but to pay rent immediately or move out.
Trying to figure out exactly where we're going to go, what we're going to do. I have no idea.
Indiana Legal Services says anyone who gets issued an eviction notice right now should file a complaint against their landlord with the state.
In fact, the first step we're advising folks to do is to contact the Attorney General's office. They have set up a special consumer complaint form for any landlords who are actually trying to file eviction or even the threat of eviction.
If you or someone you know is being threatened with eviction, like the folks who live in this apartment building, we've got that link to the Attorney General's website where you can file a complaint. We've also got a list of legal resources that might help you. You can find all of it right now at WTHR.com.